Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, mayroon pong available na corner lot for sale dito po sa Antel Grand Village, Grand Cedar Crest, which is 134 square meters, isang unit. Napapakita ko po sa inyo guys. So this is the actual village ng Antel Grand Cedar Crest at nandito banda po yung available natin na corner lot. Okay, so dito sa Antel Grand Village po, meron po ditong siyam na cluster. So ang name po ng ating village is Antel, divided into 9 cluster. First is the Grand Oak Ridge, Grand Forbes, Grand Catalina, Grand Cedar Crest, Grand Broadmoor, Grand Pasadena, Grand Meadows, Grand Riverdale, and Grand Park Lane. Okay, so ngayon nandito tayo ngayon sa Grand Cedar Crest. Pero in fairness po, yung ating property dito sa Antel Grand Village is almost sold out na siya guys. Bakit siya almost sold out? Because the location is very nice at saka napakalapit lang niya sa Manila. Okay, ito po, nandito tayo sa Bonite Street, Adventure Street. Pakita ko sa inyo yung available corner lot dito po na residential house, na residential lot. So pwede tayong magpagawa ng any design katulad nito po, ayan po, lot lang yung binili nila, din sila na nagpagawa ng design. So ang available na corner lot natin is ito po, nandito sa Kasi Terite Barite Street. Alright, sa babaan natin. Okay, check natin po. Okay guys, ito yung corner lot na available natin, which is now for sale. 134 square meters, facing northwest yung property natin. So ang maganda nito is a corner lot, 134 square meters. For sale po siya, 20% down payment, and then the down payment payable for 30 months. Then 80% down, a balance payable for 10-15 bank financing. Ayan siya guys. So this is the actual location. Meron ka ng kapitbahay, and then later on kung ayaw mo naman po na magpagawa ng sarili mong design, pwede nating i-upgrade ito kasi pinaplat na po namin dito po. So meron po tayong 5 houses na magkakasya dito sa corner lot na yan. So okay po. Okay, so if you are interested with this corner lot, so message nyo lang po ako at aking WhatsApp, then para po sa computation. So bigyan namin kayo ng computation through in-house, and then bank financing, then cash term. Okay, so much, and God bless us.